WaveMax TV Antenna is marketed as a high-performance digital antenna designed to provide crystal-clear reception of local channels without the need for cable or satellite subscriptions. While it promises an affordable way to access free over-the-air broadcasts, many are questioning whether it's legit or just another scam. Some users report positive experiences, claiming they received strong signals and enjoyed access to HD quality programming. However, there are significant concerns to consider. Many customers have complained about poor reception, even in areas close to broadcast towers, leaving them frustrated with inconsistent performance. Others mention misleading advertising, as the actual range and capabilities of the antenna often don't match the claims made in promotional materials. Additionally, some users report receiving low-quality products that break easily or fail after a short period of use. In a nutshell, while WaveMax TV Antenna may seem like an appealing alternative to cable, its inconsistent performance and exaggerated promises make it hard to recommend. Consider trusted brands and research your area's signal availability before purchasing. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.